The only three exercises you need to stay strong after 50, no gym required. Have you noticed how strength seems to quietly disappear after 50? Not suddenly, but one day. Getting up feels harder. Stairs feel heavier. Balance feels uncertain. And the most dangerous thought appears. This is just aging. But today I want to tell you something important. Aging is real, but weakness is optional. Man standing up slowly from chair, woman holding stair railing, calm close-up faces, 50 plus. And no, you don't need a gym, machines, or heavy weights. You only need 3 movements. Simple home setting, no gym, no equipment shots. The real problem, most people believe strength disappears because of age. That's not true. Strength disappears because movement disappears. We sit more. We avoid discomfort. We stop challenging the body. And the body responds honestly, if you don't need strength, I won't keep it. The real enemy after 50 is not aging, it's acceptance. Time lapse of sitting lifestyle, person watching TV, standing slowly. The good news? The body can rebuild strength, even after 50, 60, or 70. Smiling older adult walking confidently. What this video is about. This is not a bodybuilding workout. This is about independence. These 3 exercises protect your ability to stand up, walk confidently, prevent falls, live without help. Let's begin. Simple text animation, push, squat, core, exercise. 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are misunderstood, especially after 50. People think push-ups mean the floor. They don't. Push-ups mean pushing strength. Every time you push yourself up, catch yourself during a fall, push a door or object, you use these muscles. Person pushing door. Wall push-ups demo. Beginner progression. Start with wall push-ups. Then move to a table or counter. Then knees, only then. The floor. There is no rush. Progression is intelligence. Wall, table, knees sequence. If your upper body gets stronger, your confidence follows. Confident posture, shot. Exercise 2. Squats. If there is one movement that decides independence after 50, it's the squat. Sitting down, standing up, using the toilet, picking something from the floor. When squats get weak, life gets smaller. So chair sit to stand, daily life movements. Safe start, hold a chair or counter. Sit back slowly, like sitting into a chair. Only go as low as comfortable. Pain is not required. Assisted squat demo key form. Chest up, heels down, knees follow toes. Breathe. Side angle squat form. Strong legs mean fewer falls and more freedom. Walking outdoors confidently. Exercise 3. Plank. The core is not about abs, it's about stability. Weak core leads to back pain, poor balance, higher fall risk. Planks teach the body to support itself. Spine alignment graphic, wall plank demo. Beginner options, start with a wall plank, then knees. Even 15 to 20 seconds is enough. Quality matters more than time. Simple weekly routine. You only need 3 days per week. Day 1, push-ups, squats, plank day. 2, 20 to 30-minute walk. Day 3, repeat strength workout. Rest days are not weakness. They are recovery. Simple weekly calendar animation. Final message, you don't train to look young. You train to stay independent. Start small. Stay consistent. Respect your body. Aging is inevitable, but giving up is optional. Peaceful walk, smile, calm confidence. If this helped you, subscribe. Movement is medicine, and it's never too late to start. Subscribe and comment to this channel for more videos regarding to your health tips.